So majority won the vote yesterday. You all voted that I should do this video. So in today's video, I'll be talking on traffic source. If you go to your YouTube studio, you will see where they wrote traffic source and they wrote some stuffs there. If you are a new YouTuber, I know you'll be wondering what is the meaning of all this. That was what I asked myself some months ago. But for now, I have been able to find out the meaning of all those stuffs. So when we talk about traffic source, we are talking about where the views we got in our video, where they came from. You can post a video and have 1 million views. Those views, they came from somewhere. I'm telling you, they don't just come from one place, they came from different places, and that is what we refer to as traffic source. So guys, in today's video, I'll be explaining 6 traffic sources to you. So I believe you already know some. Why, for the ones that you don't know, just watch to the end so you will find out the meaning. So the very first one I'll be talking about is notification. As we all know, when you post a video and YouTube notify your subscribers, that is what we call notification. Now, if you post a video and I am subscribed to your channel, then I will receive the notification in my own YouTube, and then when I click on the video and I watch that video, it means that that particular view came from notification. Do you understand? So that is what notification is all about. That's why we tell you people to click on the notification bell so that when next I post a video, do you understand, you will be the first person to get notified. So when you receive a notification from me that I just posted a video, you will be like, oh, let me watch, let me check. So that is what notification is all about. Then secondly, I'll talk on browse features. What are browse features? You know, your YouTube homepage, when you just log into YouTube, you are swiping, you are checking those videos that you are seeing, they are your browse features. So that process of you swiping, and you saw my video, you stopped and you clicked on it. Now that particular view will be under browse features. Do you understand? Any videos that you watch from your YouTube homepage is under browse features. I hope you understand that point. Now the next one I'll be talking about, which we all pray for, is suggested video. Yes, it is very good when YouTube suggests your video. It is very good, and if your video also shows in browse features where people are browsing and they are checking their YouTube, they are just looking for videos to watch, and your video is among those videos, you are on a good track. I'm telling you, you are on a good track. So that's number 3, right? So the next one I'll be talking about is channel pages. This one really confused me when I started YouTube. I was like, which one is channel pages again? So channel page is like when I post a video. Now you already subscribed to my channel, you already know that, oh, okay, this is what she always posts. Okay, this is what her channel is all about, and you have been waiting for my notification. You did not see because you did not on your notification bell. Or sometimes it might be that you on your notification bell but YouTube did not notify you. So what do? You just search for my YouTube channel name, then you start checking for videos to watch. So when you see a video and you click on it, you watch it, that particular view will fall under channel pages. Do you understand? It will fall under channel pages. The same thing with if I go to somebody's YouTube video, I watch a video and I drop a very sweet comment, and people are like, wow, who is this person that dropped this very beautiful comment? And they click on my photo, they come to my page, to my channel, they check my videos, and then they click on the video, they watch it. Those kind of views, they will fall under channel pages. Do you understand? Because they were not browsing when they saw it. YouTube will not suggest the video to them. Do you understand? So they found it themselves. They went to my page to find it. So those kind of views will fall under channel pages. Guys, number 5, let's talk about YouTube search. This is where SEO that we'll be talking about comes in. When you are posting a YouTube video, don't just post a video and post it just like, let me just post because everybody is posting. No, just do your part. I always say, even though you're not getting the kind of views you want, we are all in this together. But one day we are going to look back and say, this is our story. Do you understand? So YouTube search, just as the name implies, is when somebody is searching. I can go to my YouTube search now, right, how to cook fried rice, and different videos on how to cook fried rice will come out. Then I'll just choose the one that I want to watch. I'll click on it and will watch it. So that particular view will fall under YouTube search. You see, YouTube, they know every movement, anything you are doing on this platform. YouTube knows. They know the kind of video you like watching, so they will be giving you more of that video. Have you not noticed it? If you watch a video on how to take care of your natural hair, you watch one video, before you know it, they will suggest another one to you. They will start bringing more videos related to that particular one you watched. So that is one thing about YouTube. They already know what their audience wants, so they want to give you what you want. Do you understand? So when it comes to YouTube search, that's why you should make use of SEO. Make sure you use a very good topic that has make sure you use a very good topic, so that when somebody is searching for your video, it will come out. Your video should rank. Use the hashtags. Just do your part. Do you understand? Guys, the last traffic source I'll be talking about is external sites or app. Yes, you can get views from WhatsApp. If you share your link, the link of your YouTube video, to Facebook. If you share it to WhatsApp, you share it to Twitter, you share it to TikTok, wherever you are sharing it to, and somebody from all these app, they saw that link, they clicked on it and they watched it. Those kind of views, those views you got from those people, they will fall under external site stroke slash app. Do you understand? That is where they will fall under. So for those of us that normally share our videos to Facebook, WhatsApp, and the rest, so when somebody watch your video from that place, so it will fall under external site or app. And for the site, some of us, our video is on Google, but we don't know. Yeah, I normally see some people that I know, I see their videos on Google. When I'm searching for something, their video will just come up and like that. So those kind of videos also, if I watch it from Google, it will also fall under external sites. Do you understand? Because it's not from YouTube. YouTube knows any movement you take on YouTube. YouTube knows. So that is it for this video, guys. I'm so thankful that you guys voted that you want this video, so hope you watch it to the very end. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching to the very end. I appreciate you. If you have any question or there's something you are not clear about, please let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share. Guys, share, support me by sharing so that other people will see it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.